Good morning, it's wash day. Let's get started. This is week 22, day 145. Join the community if you like conservative fashion and natural hair care. Today, I want to try braids and twists. First, I'm going to section my hair. As y'all know, I wash my hair in sections and have been using the same section since the beginning of 2024. Then I'm going to use my fingers to make sure I get all the tangles. I stopped using detangling tools in April, and so far I have been loving it. This is my Chebe mixture. So, y'all know I got my ends trimmed June 28th of 2024. It is that time again. Since the 28th of this month falls on a Saturday, I have already called my stylist to schedule for Monday the 30th. I do not want to be in the salon all day, plus I will owe y'all a video. Since it will be exactly a week, I am going to do a modified version of my Chebe application. I will only be applying my Chebe mixture, which consists of Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, Shea Moisture Amla Leave-In, lavender oil, peppermint oil, rosemary oil, and avocado oil. My Chebe mixture video is in the description down below. Use this as a guide, y'all. Tailor it to your needs. You do not have to follow my mixture verbatim. Something in my mixture might not agree with you. Right here, you just see me making sure that all of my hair is coated. I'm going to part 2 equal sections, and then I'm going to twist. Lastly, I would take 2 fingers and run it down the twist to get rid of the excess. Okay, let's move to the other side and braid. Right here, you see me smoothing out my hair and making sure that I get all the tangles out. And now I'm going to apply my Chebe mixture. Please, 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 y'all, do not apply Chebe powder or this Chebe mixture to your scalp. There is Chebe powder in this mixture. I'm saying that because Chebe is not a growth aid. It is a length retention aid. Chebe can irritate your scalp and it can clog your pores. Now I'm going to section my hair in 3 equal parts, and then I'm going to braid. I'm going to braid my roots taut. I don't want any tension. And then I'm going to braid the rest of it tight. I'm going to take 2 fingers and run it down the braid to get rid of the excess. All right, now I'm going to show you from the front, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. Same in the front, I have 3 permanent parts. Let's work on this bottom section. That side is done. Now let's do the twist side. On this last section, I do want to point this out, and I'm actually glad that this happened on camera. So I ran into a knot and I wanted to show y'all how I worked through it. Because I'm not using any detangling tools and I still want to make sure my hair is detangled, I need to be gentle and work strand by strand. I do not want my hair to dry tangled. That can lead to a whole nother set of issues. I am done. This is the back. I'm very curious to see if the twisted side retains as much moisture as the braided side. Really quickly, I wanted to show y'all my hairballs. This is my hairball from taking out my braids. This is my hairball from washing. And this is my hairball from applying the Chebe. Immediately after using Chebe, I noticed a reduction in shedding. These shed hairs are from a 2-week time span, minus a few hairs from my second and third application. I will see y'all next time. Bye.